Have you heard of the CalHFA Forgivable Equity Builder Program? Well, if you haven't, I'm going to tell you all about it on this episode and tell you how to take advantage before it's gone. Welcome to the Homeowner Prep podcast, where every week we educate and encourage aspiring homeowners to help them buy their first home faster. If you aspire to own a home, you're in the right place, so enjoy. Do us a favor and leave a review, a rating, and be sure to subscribe. Now let's get to this week's episode. Hey, real quick before we start, I want to ask you a question. How long are you going to wait before you decide to get started? I mean, you want to buy a house and you're earning income, so what's holding you back? Visit our website at homeownerprep.com/start. You can take an online assessment and set up a free 30-minute call, and we're going to put a plan together to help you get from where you are to where you truly want to be. So don't let fear hold you back from buying your first home. All right, now back to the episode. Welcome to another episode of the Homeowner Prep podcast. On today's episode, we're going to talk about a CalHFA program. It's a program that's for first-time home buyers that is soon to go away. And I'm hoping that, as you're listening to this episode, you take advantage of this program before all the money is gone. Now, I recognize that this is a California specific program, but there are programs like this in other states. And so I really kind of want to just touch on this particular program and talk about how down payment assistance programs and programs like this one come and go. And so how important it is for you to take advantage of these programs while they're here. Now, the CalHFA is, like I said, a California-based program. And what they did was they would give you a 10% equity loan on the purchase of your home. So let's say you're buying a house for $500,000. They're going to give you a forgivable loan at up to $50,000. Now, what can you use that money for? Well, you can use that money for your down payment. You can use that money for your closing costs and any other recurring or non-recurring closing costs that may be in your loan that you can pay out of pocket. So from this program, again, this is a loan program, but the key word there is forgivable. So the way that it works is that they will give you the money for your down payment, your closing costs. Your closing costs can't be more than 5%. So you can split that in half, 5% down and 5% for your closing costs. Part of that closing cost could be buying down your rate, which I know is very important in today's times. But that's a 10% loan, which is a significant amount of money. And the way that it's forgivable, and the importance of it being forgivable, is the fact that you don't have to make payments on that loan while you are in the home. So let's say you buy this house and you get $50,000 and you pay for your closing costs and your down payment. You buy the house for relatively no money out of pocket, and then you get into this house. Now, as you live in the home, every year that you live in it, the amount that you have to pay back is going down by 20%. So if it was $50,000, then obviously 20% less after you lived in a home, it'd be down 10 grand, right? So now you owe 40. And it goes that way until your fifth year. After 5 years, the loan is totally forgiven. So if you don't plan to buy and sell within a couple of years, this would be a great program for you. And it would be totally forgivable after that fifth year. And so I really wanted to make sure that people know about this program and know what it takes to actually qualify for this program, because the rumor is it's going away soon. They got a lump sum of money to use for this program. And as people take advantage of this program, just like any other down payment assistance program, well, the majority of them, they're running out of money. And so they're expecting to be out of money by 2023. So this is important that you take advantage of this program as quickly as possible. If you were thinking about buying your first home, but you're worried because you don't have money for down payment and you don't have money for closing costs, this might be a great program for you. Again, it's going to be 10% of your purchase price or appraised value, whichever is lower, that they're going to give you for those fees. One caveat that you must understand, you have to be within 80% of the area median income, which is an AMI. So every county is going to have an AMI. AMI is based on your location, is based on your household size. And so when you look at that information, which you can easily Google, or you can reach out to us and we can provide you with that information. But if you fit within 80% of that, then you qualify for this program. So what does that mean? You can't make too much money. This is a program that is for people who, are earning a certain amount of income per year. They have a certain family size and they're buying a particular type of home. And so, yes, it has to be, a government approved type of dwelling, so obviously if you were buying, say, a mobile home that doesn't have a fixed foundation, chances are that's not going to qualify for this program. But if you were buying a condo, a townhome, a single family home, it does qualify. So definitely take advantage of the program while it's here. It is going away soon. That's the rumor. They are running out of money. And so they're not sure if a program like this, another program will come about or what. So my advice to you is just to take advantage as quickly as possible. If you want to talk to a lender about this program and see if you qualify, reach out to us. You can visit our website at homeownerprep.com/start, and we can connect you with a lender that's in your area to see if you can qualify for this program. Again, this is a California-based program. However, if you have questions just about down payment assistance and want to see what's in your area, we can help you with that as well. We're connected to a network of lenders and real estate agents throughout the country, so we can find that information for you. Don't hesitate to reach out. Again, time is of the essence for a program like this. If you just have a direct question that you want to ask, you can always reach us on social media. We're on all the social media platforms, and you can most likely find us on Instagram. We get a lot of our questions on Instagram at Homeowner Prep. So don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you got some value from this episode. I hope you take advantage of this program before it's gone. And if there's other programs like it, we can definitely let you know. But I want to make sure that you are using all the resources that you can to get into your first home. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. I'm glad that you tuned in. I hope you got some value from today's episode and look forward to providing you with some more great value on the next episode. Until then, be blessed. If you've enjoyed this show and got some great value from it, please be sure to rate and review. And if you're checking it out on YouTube, please be sure to subscribe. That really does help us to continue the show and bring in some great guests to help you on your home buying journey.